morning. Today we are going to do pop in the microwave in our Argilla pots. All you need is the small gourmet roaster, maize meal, about a cup, a pinch of salt, and I'm not going to add it, but we need also 3 parts of water, lukewarm tap water of the maize meal amount. So I'm going to put the dry ingredients in the microwave for 2 minutes to pre-cook. After the 2 minutes pre-cooking, it's actually perfect. It smells like maize. Now you have to measure, I've already measured it, but 3 parts of hot tap water. Add it while you're stirring it. Wow, after 5 minutes in the microwave, this is the result. I've stirred it twice during the cooking process, but look, it's delicious. It's perfectly cooked. Now you can just serve it. Bye.